So I've been playing around with some Sketch-to-Image AI tools lately, and I've had a lot of fun. With that said, I've got a new website for you guys. It's called OpenArt, and it consists of a bunch of different tools, including Sketch-to-Image. We see here that they offer 6 different tools. Besides the one we mentioned, they have something called Creative Variations, which lets you explore concepts and discover possibilities. This is similar to Midjourney's variation feature, except here you can do it starting with your own image. The next one is the Stock Image Transformer, which you can use to transform existing stock images. This can be good when you have a pose or a scene from an image, but the characters or objects are not as you imagined it. So you can use this to tweak it. With this one here, you can create your own unique custom stock photos. There is people that are doing this as a side hustle and selling stock photos, except now you can create your own with this tool. Here is a good one, the magic brush. This makes it super easy to add, remove, or replace anything in your images, like this example, her starting with a colorful image of a cat and next adding some cool glasses with the same style and color as the original image. They even have an AI QR code tool, which you can use to create beautiful QR codes. This can be a good sales technique for artists to link to a song, product, or service. It's more eye-catching this way, and people will be interested if they see this at a bus stop and might even scan it. There is a 7th tool which is coming, and it can help you remove the background of your images. So with all that said, let's start with the Sketch-to-Image. I will create a sketch of a bee with some weird extra stuff. This reminds me of something that could be in Rick and Morty. Now once we're done, we're gonna save the image and upload it by clicking right here. Now once we've uploaded our image, we can scroll down here and write a prompt for our image. We can further down, choose a style for our image. I'll go with anime for now, and let's see what we get if we click on create over here. I'm surprised that even though my sketch was hard to interpret, it managed to give me this output with the anime style. Let's try some other styles. I tried the 3D style, and this is how it turned out. Here are a bunch of other styles I tried with the same weird sketch. Now I tried a new sketch of a face. The results are really similar to my initial sketch, and that is something which can be adjusted. For example, here is my first sketch with the similarity set to creative instead of similar as before. You see that we still get an image of a bee, but the pose and the scene is very different. This can be really good to get further inspiration based on your own first sketch. Here is something cool I did. I uploaded a sheet of some submarines that I had generated using Midjourney. Now I changed the style to the different options available on OpenArt, and this is what I got. Now I have even more variations of the same model with different styles. Now what's awesome about OpenArt is that you can try out all of these things for free, and when you create your account using the link in the description down below, you'll have 100 credits that you can use to try out their tools. If you join their Discord community, you will receive even more. To be honest, their pricing plans are not expensive. You can get 5,000 credits and access to model training and their most advanced tools for $7.99, which is unbelievably good compared to what you get access to. The link is in the description down below, and try it out for free if you want to have some fun with these tools.